What is your personal fitness plan going to look like? We'll be using a free app you can download from the App Store. In this app, find your fitness plan under Program. You will find your daily fitness plans here. Tap on the workout to begin. You'll find a list of exercises and rest periods. To start your workout, tap Start Now. Once you've started your workout, you can tap on the exercises to view the video and text. You can even log the time taken if you wish to track your personal bests. You can use this inbuilt timer to time your rest periods. Once you've completed your workout, tap Save. Rate your workout difficulty and tap here if you wish to add a comment. And then tap Done. Congratulations, you've completed your first workout.